Ethan's 5 life-changing lessons. I thought I could never focus, until one teacher showed me the way. In a small town surrounded by hills, there was a boy named Ethan who went to the local school. He was just an ordinary boy like everyone else, playing with friends, listening to birds, and watching clouds drift by. That was his little world. But studying was a struggle. No matter how hard he tried, he couldn't grasp his lessons. His classmates laughed at his mistakes, and Ethan began losing confidence. One afternoon after school, Mr. Harris, the philosophy teacher, was still sitting alone. Ethan walked up nervously. "Sir, I want to talk to you about something," he said softly. Mr. Harris nodded. "Come, sit down. What is it?" Ethan hesitated, then admitted, "I'm really bad at studying. I can't remember anything. I can't focus. I feel hopeless." "Can you help?" Mr. Harris smiled. "You're not alone. Many students feel the same. But if you truly want to improve, you can. Let me teach you 5 simple, powerful lessons to change the way you learn. First, calm your mind." He handed Ethan a glass bottle of muddy water. "What do you see?" Ethan said. "Dirty water, sir." "Leave it for a while." After an hour, the dirt settled and the water was clear. Our minds work the same way. When cluttered with stress or fear, we can't think clearly. Close your eyes, breathe, and calm your mind before studying. Second, focus on the present. Mr. Harris lit a candle. Keep your attention on this flame. Don't let your thoughts wander. At first, Ethan's mind drifted, but slowly he learned to stay present. The past is gone. The future isn't here yet. What we have is this moment, said Mr. Harris. Third, understand, don't just memorize. A sponge and a rock demonstrated the lesson. The sponge absorbed water. The rock didn't. Those who just memorize are like the rock. Those who try to understand are like the sponge, they retain knowledge. Fourth, break learning into small parts. Mr. Harris gave Ethan a big wooden block. Ethan couldn't break it. The teacher cut it into smaller pieces, and finally, it broke. Big topics can't be learned at once. Study a little each day and take breaks. Fifth, practice regularly. Mr. Harris planted seeds in 2 pots. One was watered daily, the other left dry. The first sprouted, the second didn't. Even 20 minutes a day adds up. Consistency is key. Ethan followed these lessons. At first, little changed, but gradually he could focus, understand his lessons, and enjoy learning. His grades improved, and he gained confidence. 5 years later, Ethan became successful, always remembering the lessons that changed his life, and you can too. Calm your mind, focus, understand, break tasks into parts, and practice every day. Small efforts grow into big achievements. Your belief and persistence are your greatest tools. If this story inspires you, like, share, and subscribe. More stories are coming. Stay patient.